Okay, just a little update here. I did a little pre-fit on the pan and the seat riser in here. This is what I might have to take a little material off, see, to make this threshold fit a little better when everything's in. But as you can see, it's not looking too bad here. It should hold a. This is all going to come together whenever I start screwing it together, and I'm going to do some trim fit a little bit, and get this thing in there. Anyway, I wanted to share that, and then up underneath, everything looking pretty good. This is all going to pull together. So whenever I pull it all together and everything, pan and all that, this side down here comes down a little bit more. Seems like it doesn't up here, but I'm going to work on that. See if I can get that down a little bit. Pull it together. Anyway, that's it. That's the progress.